So, hi guys, welcome back. Today, I'm here to talk about the health insurance plan in Quebec, that is RAMQ. So, it is like the health insurance plan managed by the RAMQ Quebec. Insured person can receive various healthcare services free of charge if they are present if they present their health insurance card to a physician, hospital, or a local community service center, that is CLSC, they will receive the following at a no cost: covered medical care, basic hospital services, dental services up to age 10, then optometric services under age 18 and age 65 above. Person not covered by the Quebec health insurance plan can still access the healthcare services, but they will be paid. So yes, as I mentioned earlier, it's like a difficult situation out there because of the COVID-19. RAMQ offices are not taking any registration in person, so they are having a alternative method by just calling them and getting the form to your apartment or a house, and then dropping the same to the RMQ office drop box, and then getting your letter of confirmation to your apartment. So after that 3 months you will be getting your card. So this is a step which is going to be happening, and we did the same, and we have now having our confirmation letter from RMQ office. So let me take to you this with through the website which is on my screen now. So now I am on as you see that there is a COVID-19, some note is there, please make sure it is read. It doesn't it tells about you what have to be done. The document deposit box it is telling about, and all the question and answers if you have anything. So let's move ahead, and we are not a citizen, we are not a professional, like, and I am an immigrant, foreign worker, or a student. So I'll be collecting this, and inside that I'll just go through the process of eligibility. So yes, the one who is eligible, you are qualified for a Quebec health insurance if you meet a certain conditions. If you intend to take a residence in Quebec, you must be among one of these: be authorized to live in Canada, have a minimum residency in a Quebec, be present in Quebec minimum of 183 days, and in a person of in first of 12 months after becoming eligible. So this you can see here, you can see you must be present in Quebec for 183 days. And so who is not eligible? Let's see who is not eligible. Now a tourist, or his or her newborn baby. If you are a tourist and you have a newborn baby getting at birth in Canada, so you are not eligible. A student who is not, who is from another province, who is temporarily staying here. Foreign student from other country, from a country other than those with the Quebec has concluded. So you can just go here and check the security agreement. So from these countries, so yes, not applicable. Then refugees are not applicable. So these people are not applicable for a Quebec health insurance plan. Then let's move to the next step, that is documents needed. So let's see what all are the documents we need to be covered in an Quebec health insurance. So let me go to the registration form, and here you can see the how registration can be done. So before moving into the document needed, I'll just make sure I'll go through this as well, as it is coming before the documents need. So fill out the registration form. So first step is to fill out the registration form. This I have mentioned in general, but I'll let you know how to make it. So just when you click on this, you will get a call us. So here you will be having a telephone number in person and by email. So here either you can just call them and update your details and get the post to your home, or by mail write us. So you can go here, check it, and even update via mail as well. So the main thing is make sure that address of your current residence is correct. So soon if it's done, so you will be getting a one envelope, something like this. The envelope I has it the screen switches, you can see here. So you will be getting that, and soon when you get that, you have to fill the form, and here comes the document part. So gather the required documents. So you will be asked to provide us several documents for your registration, including a document providing your identity. So just check where you belong. So it's like this. So document you providing either your passport, document issued by your Canadian or Quebec Immigration Authority. So for us it is a work permit, so I will be giving my work permit and passport. So these are the two documents which will be needing compulsorily to apply for RAMQ if you are on work permit. So yes, so once it's done, so just make your document gathering. Then, and one more thing, is there anything document which is either not in other languages than French or English? So in that case we have to translate our original documents into English and get it. So yes, and here comes send in the document, have your photo taken. So this is in we have to get this thing in person, photo taken. So but here what is happening, we are in COVID-19 situation, you can just put that all the documents in an envelope which the Quebec insurance company has already sent you. So you have to put in there, and you have to drop it in front of the RMQ. You can even send it with a post you want to, but for us it was easy to go and get the drop it in front of the office in a drop box. So you can do this, and yes, if you are even the signature will be there on that. So in our case there was a small mistake had happened. So what we did is we even added a note telling them that yes, we are now, our name is having some spell mistake, please check on this and correct it in our coming forms. So they did that and we got an updated form. So this is what receiving the letter and your card. This is a fourth step, and here what will happen, we'll receive a confirmation letter from a insurance in RMQ office, and that will tell us that your waiting is been done and you are eligible for this, and you will be getting your card in so and so days. So yes, this one has to be, this will be done. And what I did, what we happened is it was taking a too long, and we just called the number which was available on website, and we just inquired about them, and they were like telling it will take us 10 to 15 business days in current situation to get our letters. So after the call we got it in a week, I can tell. So we got our like confirmation letter shortly. So yes, if any queries is that, you can even just call them and ask them. So this is what it happens. So as I mentioned earlier, for more information I will be linking all the needed numbers and link in the description below. Please go and check it out. If any query is there, please make sure you read the website thoroughly. Of course everything is present in that. If not, let me know. I can let me know in the comment. I can just go through the website and let you know back in there. So I hope this will help you. Stay safe, stay healthy, be good, take care. Bye guys.